Want to improve your credit score with Monzo? Here's how Monzo Credit Builder works and how it can help you build your credit history. Monzo Credit Builder is a feature when you get a secure loan that you repay monthly. With the payments reported to credit reference agencies to help you show consistent positive credit activity. To start, open your Monzo app and check if you're eligible for a credit builder. If you are, you can set up a credit builder where you will move the total amount of the loan upfront, like £100 or more, into the pot. Each month, Monzo takes your agreed payment from that pot automatically, so you can't accidentally miss a payment. Your monthly payments get reported to credit agencies, helping you build a record of on-time payments, which is key to improving your credit score. When you finish the plan, you'll get the money in the pot back minus any fees if there are any. If this helped you understand how Monzo Credit Builder works, like this video, subscribe for more Monzo tips, and share it with anyone looking to improve their credit. Thanks for watching, and until then, I'll catch you in the next video.